So good morning, guys. It's a fine morning from Manado, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about this new camera, an Insta360 ONE X camera. This brand new vlogging camera that I just purchased recently. Actually, this is a 360 degrees camera. This is quite happening these days for vloggers in YouTube, and it captures a very nice 5.7K of 360 degrees angle. You don't have to care about where you're shooting at. Just push the record button and then you can manage yourself in post-processing. I know I've never been doing the unboxings and stuff before on my video, but today, since I got this new toy, so we're going to open this and see what's inside. Okay, so first of all we have to tear up the seals here, and then there we go. And here you can see inside there's a unit. You can see this is the, I think this is the battery, and then also the it's like a sling for if you are making a bullet time. If you don't know what is bullet time, then you guys can probably see the tutorial video here. And let's go see what's inside of this. Yeah, this is a battery. The sling, as I said, this is the bullet time sling. So it's the battery, and then this is the unit. It's pretty nice. It's black, looking sleek, and there's a, it's written Insta360 ONE X, and it has two fish eyes lenses, and there's a LED here, and then also there's a screen, a little screen here. This is the indicator screen. You can see all information. And there's a sticker here. It says that the supported micro SD cards with a minimum speed class of UHS 1 and V30. Yeah. So here's the memory card slot. I don't know if you can see. And this one is the regular tripod mounting screw. So there it has mic holes. But anyway, don't expect that the audio quality would be top notch. There's a couple of other stuff inside, so let's go. There's a transparent lid here. You can see inside there is a pouch, so you can bring and cover this unit. Okay, let's go see. Yep, this is the pouch that I've told you. It's pretty good though. Yeah, it's really handy. It's pretty nice. And yeah, what you can see inside here, there are stickers. I don't know what this is for, maybe for your laptops if you want to, but what the hell is this? I don't really care. And this is the manuals and the warranty card, specifications, I think, and also the manual, a quick start guide. So if you can see here, there are two little boxes. This one is the cables. It says connect to your phone, and the last box is, it's written connect to your computer. So this is supposed to be a USB cable for connecting your device to the computer if you would like to importing your clips. This is the additional battery, because you know the battery on this device fully charged only lasts for an hour, so it's better to have spare battery in your hand when you are going out bringing this camera. And yeah, there you go. Let's go. We open this. What is this? Oh, so the battery is inside this cardboard. Okay, yeah, same here. Here's the extended selfie pole stick. This is the invisible selfie stick. So as you can see, it's a very lightweight, compact, and it says that designed for bullet time, which if you have another extension, the tripod, the mini tripod one, you can hook it up here, and then you can use it for bullet time. So whenever you guys using this stick, and the Insta360 ONE X stitching process would make this stick invisible. It seems like you're not holding anything, you're not holding a camera. It seems like you are being followed by a cameraman or the drone because of this stick. So it's a must accessories that you need whenever you buy this Insta360 ONE X. It's good to bring this all the time with you because it's so lightweight, and it can be extended up to 120 centimeters long. And if it's retracted like this, it's just only 27.5 centimeters. Very short and compact. You guys have to carry this all the time with you whenever you go out with this Insta360 ONE X.